You see, the verse in the Quran that always amazes me is where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, Inna salata tanha anil fahsha'i wal munkar. Indeed, salah prohibits or protects one from immorality and evil. But when you think about this verse and you see today, are people really such that, first of all, do they pray the salah? Secondly, when they pray the salah, does it really protect them from immorality and evil? It's very important we pray our salah solely for the sake of Allah. Sincerely, we perfect it, we do it in the best way. Hafizu ala salawat. Allah tells us in the Quran as well, we have to pray, we have to guard them strictly, the 5 daily prayers. And if we do them perfectly, indeed, Allah then would protect us from immorality and evil. With the help of Allah. I mean, why would you pray 5 daily salah if you do them sincerely? Yes, Allah is the one who guides. But if you really do them sincerely, with the help of Allah, you surely would be protected from immorality or evil. So if you fulfill salah and you still find yourself wanting, then there's a question mark. Allah make it easy for all of us.